Good day, my name is Joel Samuel, and today I'd like to demonstrate to you of how to install SQL Server Express Management Studio 2014. So the first thing you'll want to do is open up your Google Chrome browser and type into here in your search bar SQL. Type in your search bar SQL Server Management Studio 2014, and you scroll down until you reach the third option, and you scroll down again. After clicking that link, you'll make sure and select your language, whether it's English, French, German. But since I'll leave it as default, English. After selecting your type of language, then you'll want to click the download tab button. And here you'll want to select the version of your operating system, whether your operating system is 32 or 64-bit. So you'll download the right appropriate program for your operating system. So since mine is 62 of 64-bit, I'll download the 64 version. So I'll select the third option, which says Express 64-bit / SQL EXPR. I'll also want to download um, Management Studio 64-bit as well. And then I'll hit the next, then I'll select next, and it should start to download, as you can see. So while it's downloaded, I'll pause the video and get back to you. So it took a little while to download, so it just finished downloading. So then I'll just um, show all, click the show all button here. Oh, sorry, I'll go into File Explorer and go into my download section and look for where I save the file. You just scroll through until you find the installation package of the file that you downloaded. And here you want to you'll install the SQL EXPR first. So you just want to double click on it. Select yes, select OK. And we should receive a pop-up box any moment now. As you can see, we received a pop-up box. So just allow that to load. As you can see, we got the installation was successful. Installing was successful. Received the SQL Server Installation Center window. I just want to maximize it. Now you want to click on New SQL Standalone Installation. and just wait till this process is completed. It just take a little while. So I'll pause back and oh, okay, it's coming. So just wait until that is finished. So now you just want to accept the license terms and then select the option that says next. And just wait for this to load up. As you can see, there are different tasks which are being completed. Okay, I just finished all those tasks. So I'll just leave everything as default and just select the option that says next. And here I'll just wait. And since this is my first time installing SQL Server, I'll just want to select the radio button that says default instance. Selecting the default instance radio button, you'll just want to click the option that says next. And here you'll just wait. And again, you'll just want to leave everything as default and just select the option that says next. And here you'll just want to leave the option that says Windows Authentication Mode and select the option that says next. And just allow the installation progress to take place. So I'll pause back and get back to you when this installation progress has finished. As you can see, it's almost finished downloaded. So we'll just wait for it. So again, I'll pause, and when it's finished downloaded, I'll come back. So as you could see, the installation has been completed. So, and everything was successful. If you scroll down here, you'll see everything was successful. So what you'll do now, you'll just close all this and also close all this one, the SQL Server Installation Center. You'll close all that tab too. And here you'll want to run the SQL Management Studio. So you'll just double click on it and then select the option yes. And then you'll click OK to just extract the files. Basically, the process is the same as the last one that we installed. So you just wait till this load up. So just as earlier on before, you'll click the same option that says New SQL Server Standalone Installation. Click it. And just allow, please wait. Just allow this to load. Allow this to run as well. And also allow the task to be completed. So under installation type, you will leave the default option, which is perform new installation of SQL Server 2014. You'll leave that. And all you want to do is select the option that says next. As earlier before, you'll accept the license terms. Select next. So in the feature selection window, you'll just leave everything as default and just select the option that says next and just wait again. After it has finished load, now the installation process will take place. So this might take a little while. So I'll pause the video at this point and then get back to you. So as you could see, everything was successful. So I'll just want to close off this. I'll also close off SQL Server Installation Center. So after that after all that installation, you'll now want to go and open SQL Server Express Management Studio. So just type SQL, and as you can see, look, it's here. You'll just double click on it to open it. As you can see, it's opening. As you can see, we receive a pop-up box with our server type and our server name. To just demonstrate that it's working, I'll just click connect. And as you can see, you'll see a name here of my database that with the server name. So this concludes my video of how to install SQL Server Express Management Studio 2014. In the next video, I'll demonstrate to you of how to link SQL Server to Microsoft Access. So thank you for your undivided attention, and please stay tuned for the next video of how to link SQL Server to Microsoft Access. Thank you for your undivided attention.